you. Tonight, brand new documents shed light into the ongoing investigation of the murder of 2 women in Fort Myers. Investigators say Julia Curvo was strangled with a bandana. We're now learning a tipster helped lead investigators to Rolbert Joachin, who you see right here, the suspected killer in both these cases. But police did not have enough evidence to hold him at the time in custody. So then, just 1 week later, Joachin is accused of killing this woman, Nilufa Eastman, at a gas station in Fort Myers. You've seen that brutal beating with a hammer that you've seen in video before. Thank you so much for tuning into Gulf Coast News here at 11 o'clock. I'm Elise Chingari. Tonight we are covering the Gulf Coast in Fort Myers, where Edward Franco is walking you through these new documents.
Julia Curvo's memorial still stands here in downtown Fort Myers. I was here in January when police were investigating her death. Now tonight, her family is trying to understand why anyone would kill her.
It's been a nightmare.
Julia Curvo's father has been heartbroken since his 28-year-old daughter disappeared in January. Just 9 days after she was last seen, her body was found on Huff and 3rd Streets.
These 32 pages of court documents obtained by Gulf Coast News on Tuesday say Rolbert Joachin is accused of strangling Curvo to death here with a bandana, leaving her bruised on the legs and waist as well.
Tonight, we spoke over the phone with Curvo's grandmother, Sandy Stevens.
We needed to know what happened to her, but once you know what happened, it's just as bad as not knowing.
The investigation reveals Curvo had been living outside and in between vacant homes since 2024. The reports say she had been diagnosed with schizophrenia and was bipolar. Drugs, including meth and MDMA, were found in her toxicology report.
She was a young, beautiful woman who had her troubles, but she was still a human being.
Investigators tied Joachin to Curvo's murder through a Crime Stoppers tip in March. Police interviewed Joachin on March 26, took his phone and asked ICE to hold him. But due to his temporary protected status as a Haitian, he was let go 2 hours later.
Probably during their investigation at that time, they didn't have enough to arrest him. To that end, they were in essence trying to use ICE as sort of a protection.
I went over the court documents with attorney Michael Raheb.
I don't see how he'll ever be deported. So whether you like it or not, there's a strong possibility he'll be incarcerated or possibly put to death.
Joachin is also accused of killing a mother outside this Fort Myers gas station in April. On June 5th, the state of Florida filed a motion to seek the death penalty for Joachin in connection with the death of Nilufa Eastman. Covering the Gulf Coast tonight in Fort Myers, Edward Franco, Gulf Coast News.